Welcome everybody. We're gonna be making hood roll pockets. Everybody from the ghetto. Yes, everybody. Now times is getting hard, you know what I'm saying? All this stuff is happening. We got through the pandemic. Now we gotta make things that makes things stretch. You know, eggs is like almost $10 for a dozen of eggs. So we're gonna get very frugal. So what we did was we used one egg to make it stretch through some pork chorizo. Okay? Chorizo, we love this in the family on Saturdays. We go ahead and we saute this in the skillet with one egg, okay? And then half a thing of chorizo, okay? That goes a long way. We also had some hamburger meat, leftover taco meat from last night, so we're gonna go ahead and use that as well. Remember, these are hood pockets. We're gonna use these Crescent Rolls, and then we're gonna lay them down in a nice oiled casserole dish, as you see here. And then, or you know what, if you have extra, you can use wontons, everybody. Yes, you can use wontons and deep fry those, and everybody will love these. Be like finger foods, like hors grandmother hors d'oeuvres. Okay, hors d'oeuvres or appetizers. Okay, now what we do, we have Swiss cheese as well. Okay, we use our Swiss cheese. We're gonna use our blended Mexican style blend cheese. It has like Monterey Jack and cheddar and all that good old stuff. Cheddar is better, everybody. Remember that. So after our chorizo is nicely cooked, and we're gonna go ahead and add our cheeses. Now cut up that Swiss cheese as well into little bitty pieces so we can fit it in these rolls. See them rolls over there? That's how we're going to roll it up. Now, I'm going to show you guys how we do it. We're going to layer it down with cheese. We're going to add our chorizo egg mixture, our hamburger meat, and more cheese, everybody. Yes. And then we're going to roll it up. Now, we're going to roll it up. That's how we do it. We're going to take 2 of those triangle squares because they come with 8 in a pack. I don't know why they do that. That's kind of stupid. But anyway, so we're going to roll it up. We had 4. So we were using these because it's going to be looking a little bit bigger, a little bit healthier, because we're trying to use up all our meat. You know, we're just trying to make it stretch and, you know, make them big and voluptuous and all that good old stuff. BB lumptuous, okay? Now, this is why we do it. You see those, they're a little bit skinny, but that's okay, because all of it's going to have flavor all through it. We had a little bit of taco seasoning in with that meat from yesterday, from the old meat that we had. But look at that, we're going to lay some more cheese on top of it. Now, remember, our casserole dish is kind of nicely sprayed and oiled down so it won't be sticking. Now, you see how big, and that might look ugly, but here it is. Voila! Look at it when it's done. You see one is missing already? My grandson-in-law couldn't wait. He had to come on in and scoop it on out. I said, wait a minute, I need to take a video or pictures. He said, oh, you want me to put it back? I said, never mind, you already been in it. But he loves our cooking. We come up with creative things to feed the families during these hard times, especially with eggs being so high, cheese being high, butter being high. Whatever, we got to get like frugal. You got to get smart with it. Now, these little pockets, look at that. You don't need them pockets nowhere else. Ladies, it's going to keep your man at home. Trust me. Now, look at it on this plate. Doesn't that look delicious? Doesn't that look this voluptuous and delicious? I'm telling you, you will be happy with the flavors going throughout this, and everybody will be happy and satisfied, and nobody's going to be hungry. So we're going to figure out all kinds of recipes during this hard time and make it stretch. Look at that cheese over there. Now, you guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see, and we're going to have a lot more. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. We love you. Follow us.
Most definitely. And don't forget, our cookbook is on Amazon.com. Get your copy today. Thank you for watching, you guys. Have a nice day.